The Xiaomi 11T Pro is a premium smartphone that adds to the already existing Xiaomi 11 series that was recently launched in India. Now, this smartphone was launched back in September and it's taken Xiaomi its own sweet time to get it to Indian shores. Now, when it comes to specification, it comes with a Snapdragon 888 processor, a 120Hz OLED screen, stereo speakers, a 5000 mAh battery that charges using a 120 watt fast charger. Yes, you heard it correct. 120 watt fast charger. So let's check out what the Xiaomi 11T Pro offers inside the box and what it will get to you as a consumer.
So here's the retail box of the new Xiaomi 11T Pro, and as always there's plenty of branding all around the package that screams Xiaomi. So let's quickly take this plastic covering off and dig into the box. Okay, so let's open this box and see what's inside. This lid is pretty tight around the corners, but that's a good thing about the packaging, I would say. Okay, let's first go ahead and take out the paper sleeve that has the SIM eject pin inside it. There it is. And this is the 3.5mm jack to Type-C adapter, which is good to have. A lot of companies don't include this accessory in the box, which is where I feel that this is a big plus. Then there's the user guide, and we can keep this apart, and this is the transparent back cover. So that's about it here. Let's put all of this aside and take a look at the phone now. So this is the Xiaomi 11T Pro in all its glory. This is the celestial blue variant, which has a gradient look at the back with all these flashy colors that change with the angle of the light. Now let's take this covering off and check out the phone. Oh wait, before we dive deeper into the phone, let's see whether there's anything else that we missed in the box. There we go. There's the charging adapter, which I must say is a big block of plastic. I mean, squeezing 120 watt fast charging inside this must have been a task, but yes, it's pretty big. And this is the USB Type A to Type-C charging cable. So that's about it as far as the box is concerned. So let's dive into the phone now. The Xiaomi 11T Pro features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display and a hole punch cutout at the top for the selfie camera. It offers a 120Hz refresh rate with a 480Hz touch sampling rate. The display supports HDR10+ and Dolby Vision standards. The phone weighs 204 grams and is available in 3 finishes: Celestial Blue, Moonlight White and Meteorite Grey. The fingerprint reader sits on the side under the power button. There is a primary speaker and it's located at the bottom next to the USB Type-C port. On the other side of the port is the SIM card tray, which accepts 2 nano SIM cards. The phone features stereo speakers that have been tuned by Harman Kardon and support Dolby Atmos. The back of the phone is made of matte finished glass. The display is protected by Gorilla Victus glass. Xiaomi 11T Pro is available in 3 variants. There is an 8GB RAM option with 128GB of storage, a second 8GB RAM variant with 256GB storage, and a top-end variant with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, which is the one that we received for review. Xiaomi uses the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor in the Xiaomi 11T Pro, which comes with the integrated X60 5G modem. As for software, there's MIUI 12.5.2 based on Android 11 with plenty of pre-installed apps. There are 3 rear cameras on the Xiaomi 11T Pro. This includes a 108MP primary camera, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 5MP macro camera. Selfie duties are handled by a 16MP front-facing camera. Xiaomi offers a 120-watt fast charger in the box that can be used to charge the 5000 mAh battery in the 11T Pro. Just like every other smartphone at the lower end of the premium segment, the Xiaomi 11T Pro aims to be an all-rounder. but we will have to put it through its paces in our review to find out how well it performs against the competition.
So that was the unboxing and a quick first look at the new Xiaomi 11T Pro. Let us know in the comment section of what you think about the new Xiaomi device, as we'll be getting your review very soon on the Gadgets 360 YouTube channel. And as always, for everything tech, stay tuned to gadgets360.com.